Jammin JD Sports Cars bringing you another video. We are going to break 2016 Sage Hit Football. This is another retail blaster box, and you get 3 autographs in this. Let's go ahead and check this out. Now, if you've been collecting for years, you know that Sage Hit isn't exactly the most exciting product in the world. But it is nice to grab a few of the rookie autographs before the draft, because you just never know. See what we can grab out of this. 3 autos. The base cards are going to be pretty simple, pretty boring, plain. So we'll roll through them pretty quickly. They really don't change the look of them very much each year either. Nick Martin, Keith Marshall, Joey Bosa, Michael Thomas, Cooper. There's Ezekiel Elliott. As you can see, they're kind of boring. Trey Madden, Devon Johnson. Nothing real exciting. There aren't inserts. They might have a couple inserts. Usually they don't. They don't really have parallels either. It's just your base cards and then the 3 autos. So, get through these packs quickly. Sean Price, Paul Perkins, Will Fuller, Jalen Ramsey, Jeremy Cash, Kessler, Kenny Clark, Sheldon Day. There's only 4 packs, so it'll be pretty fast. Derek Watt. Artistry. It's the only one we've seen that's different, so that is an insert. Hunter Henry. That's cool. Looks like a painting. Something a little different there. There's Joey Bosa again. Michael Thomas. Leonard Floyd. Austin Johnson. Last pack. If you guys aren't following us on Twitter, go check us out at Jammin JD Cards. Also check out our website, jamminjdcards.com. And we have another YouTube channel, Jammin Retrospect. So if you haven't checked that out, if you like retro cards, you know, late 90s to early 2000s, definitely check that out. There's Ezekiel Elliott, same card. Pharaoh Cooper. We break packs on that, 2 packs every once in a while. Just quick breaks. So there's another artistry, Nelson Spruce. Garnett, Collins, and there you go. So now we have our 3 autos. They come in just a plastic pack here. See who we can grab. They usually have different versions of the autos, color variations, and they'll be numbered 250, 150, and then the base, obviously. So our first one is Derek Alexander, just a base auto. Defensive end. We also have portrait cards this year. And here's one of the portrait cards, I believe. Paul Perkins, Premium Portrait. Running back. So that's actually a sweet card. I do like that. You get 2 of these in each blaster box with your 3 autos. And that is a good looking card. Next premium portrait is Jeremy Cash. Second auto. Not bad. At least he's got a nice signature. Not just a couple letters real quick. And the last auto Sean Price, tight end. And that one is numbered, so there's your gold, I think it is. 163 of 250. It's pretty cool that it's hand numbered. That's nice. Sean Price. So there you have it. 2016 Sage hit, 20 bucks, retail box, 3 hits, and 2 of those premium portrait cards. Not a bad break. Thanks for watching.